Welcome to our in-depth review of Senses Riviera Maya by Artisan, a hidden gem nestled along Mexico's stunning Caribbean coastline. This adults-only boutique hotel offers a luxurious escape for those seeking tranquility and romance. Let's dive into what makes this resort a standout choice for discerning travelers. First up, let's talk about the accommodations. Senses Riviera Maya boasts 38 spacious oceanfront suites that redefine luxury. Each room is a sanctuary of comfort and style, blending modern elegance with Caribbean influences. Picture yourself in an oceanfront suite, where you'll find a separate bedroom, a private plunge pool, and an indoor hot tub. Talk about living the dream. The ocean view suites don't skimp on luxury either, featuring balconies with breathtaking sea views and their own indoor hot tubs. For those celebrating love, the honeymoon suite ups the ante with a separate dining area and, you guessed it, a private plunge pool and indoor hot tub. Even the pool view suites offer a touch of indulgence with their own indoor hot tubs. No matter which suite you choose, you'll be treated to amenities like air conditioning, a free minibar, Hello Vacation, a 60-inch smart TV, and premium bedding. The bathrooms are a highlight in themselves, with L'Occitane toiletries and those aforementioned jetted tubs. And let's not forget the views. Every room offers a front row seat to the Caribbean's turquoise waters. It's like waking up in a postcard every morning. Now, let's talk about satisfying those taste buds. Senses Riviera Maya offers 2 restaurants that are sure to please even the most discerning palates. The Blend restaurant serves up Caribbean-inspired cuisine that'll make your taste buds dance. From fresh seafood to American and Italian options, there's something for everyone. Imagine starting your day with a delicious breakfast overlooking the ocean, then returning for a romantic dinner under the stars. The dress code is casual elegant, so you can look fancy without feeling stuffy. For seafood lovers, Cavamar Restaurant is a must-visit. They focus on fresh local ingredients that showcase the best of the region's bounty. And let's not forget about the bars. The rooftop bar is perfect for sipping on a martini while watching the sunset, while the poolside bar keeps you refreshed during those lazy pool days. For those with dietary restrictions, fear not. The resort offers vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free options. So whether you're a foodie or just looking for a good meal, Senses Riviera Maya has got you covered. When it comes to pools and beaches, Senses Riviera Maya doesn't disappoint. The resort features a large outdoor infinity pool that seems to merge with the Caribbean Sea. It's the perfect spot for a refreshing dip or to lounge with a good book. But wait, there's more. The resort also boasts 4 rooftop jacuzzis that offer panoramic sea views. Imagine soaking in warm bubbles while watching the sun dip below the horizon. It doesn't get much better than that. The pool area is complete with comfortable cabanas and attentive staff ready to serve you food and drinks. No need to lift a finger here, folks. As for the beach, it's just steps away from the property. The sandy shoreline is perfect for long walks or simply basking in the sun. The resort provides loungers and umbrellas free of charge, so you can set up your own little paradise. For the more adventurous, there's snorkeling nearby to explore the vibrant underwater world. And if you fancy a bit of paddling, kayaks are available on site. Whether you're a pool person or a beach bum, Senses Riviera Maya has you covered. When it comes to activities, Senses Riviera Maya keeps things low-key, focusing on relaxation and tranquility. While there isn't a full-service spa on site, the resort offers yoga classes twice a week on Monday and Thursday mornings from 8 to 9 a.m. It's the perfect way to start your day, stretching and breathing in the fresh sea air. For those who like to stay active, water activities are available right at your doorstep. Grab a kayak and paddle along the coastline, or don some snorkeling gear to explore the colorful underwater world just offshore. The attentive staff can also arrange various excursions and activities in the surrounding area. Whether you're interested in exploring ancient Mayan ruins, zip-lining through the jungle, or taking a cooking class to learn some local cuisine, the concierge is there to help make it happen. And let's not forget the simple pleasure of lounging by the infinity pool or on the beach, cocktail in hand, with a good book, or simply soaking in the stunning views. Sometimes the best activity is doing absolutely nothing at all. While Senses Riviera Maya doesn't have a dedicated spa facility, wellness is still very much a part of the experience. The resort takes a unique approach by bringing spa-like amenities directly to your room. Each suite features either a private plunge pool or an indoor hot tub, allowing you to indulge in hydrotherapy in the privacy of your own space. Imagine soaking in warm, bubbling water while gazing out at the Caribbean Sea. It's relaxation at its finest. For those seeking a bit more active wellness, the twice-weekly yoga classes offer a chance to stretch, breathe, and center yourself. These classes are held in the morning, allowing you to start your day on a peaceful note. The rooftop jacuzzis also provide a spa-like experience, combining the therapeutic benefits of warm water with panoramic ocean views. While traditional spa treatments aren't available on site, the attentive staff can arrange for in-room massages upon request. And let's not forget the ultimate wellness activity, simply lounging on the beach or by the pool, listening to the waves and letting all your stress melt away. At Senses Riviera Maya, wellness is woven into the very fabric of your stay. As an adults-only resort, Senses Riviera Maya doesn't offer specific facilities or programs for children. However, this absence of kids' clubs and family-oriented activities is precisely what makes it so appealing to couples, honeymooners, and adults seeking a peaceful getaway. The quiet, romantic atmosphere is perfect for those looking to reconnect, celebrate a special occasion, or simply enjoy some grown-up time away from the hustle and bustle of family life. The resort's focus on tranquility and personalized service means that every guest can enjoy a sophisticated, relaxing experience without the background noise of children's activities or family-friendly entertainment. It's a place where adults can truly unwind, whether that means sleeping in late, enjoying uninterrupted conversations over dinner, or sipping cocktails by the pool without a splash fight in sight. So while there may not be a kids' club, the entire resort is essentially an adults' club, a haven for those seeking a mature, peaceful escape. While Senses Riviera Maya is a destination in itself, there's plenty to explore in the surrounding area. Just a stone's throw away, about 0.7 miles from the resort, you'll find the Jungala Aqua Experience Water Park. It's perfect for those days when you want a bit more excitement. Golf enthusiasts will be pleased to know that the Playa Paraiso Golf Club is right in the vicinity. Fancy a change of scenery? The famous Maroma Beach, known for its pristine white sand, is nearby and well worth a visit. If you're looking to experience some local culture, the town center of Puerto Morelos is about 8 miles away. It's a charming fishing village where you can sample authentic Mexican cuisine and shop for local handicrafts. For those who want to dive into the vibrant nightlife and shopping scene of the Riviera Maya, Playa del Carmen is just about 20 kilometers south. The hotel offers car rental services on site, making it easy to explore these attractions and more. And let's not forget about the natural wonders of the region. The area is dotted with cenotes, natural sinkholes filled with crystal clear water that are perfect for swimming and snorkeling. Whether you're interested in history, nature, or just soaking up the local culture, there's plenty to keep you entertained beyond the resort's borders. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.